Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, so that means we have a review. Let's see who this is from. Kind of a thick bag, so we'll see what's in here. Well, we have 2 cross-stitch kits. So I guess we'll start with the skinniest one. And this is from FGOBY. It's called the Smoke Rose. And it was $7.99. It is a DIY cross-stitch. And it does not have a product number here. Some of them do, some don't. Let's see what's in here. It's been a while since I had a DIY cross stitch. Well, they're all DIY, but the brand DIY. Isn't that a beautiful picture with the butterfly and the beautiful rose and the blues and pinks? Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is 40 by 50. It does come with a paper pattern here. Get that all straightened out, and it's kind of small. It might have to be blown up if you were going to use it for any period of time. This has 30 colors. Paper pattern will match the canvas. And let's see, no 310. We have 550 purple though. No 823. We do have some 939 up there in that corner. No 3371 or 3865. So, very nice. Does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Does have 2 needles here attached to the canvas. Does not have a tool kit. It's all on one thing. How about that? Whoops. Hang on. Mishap. Does come with a hank of 517. Isn't that a beautiful color of blue? Gorgeous. And it does have 2408 2408 right there. So very nice. Nice big numbers on this thread card. I haven't seen one like this before, but look at all the purples and blues. Just stunning. And of course there's pinks, and I guess that's like a kind of a reddish lilac, if you will. It's got more red than blue in it. Just gorgeous. And we have these lovely cerulean blue colors in various shades. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Beautiful. And this one is not very big. Roll that all up so we don't lose that puppy. It does have kind of a salvage edge right here, so maybe they've given you extra material. We'll find that out here in a second. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Very nicely printed. Just beautiful. Nice big huge key over here. I like that. You don't have to hurt your eyes, and it is an 11 count, so it's very easy to see all the symbols. I'll try to hold it as still as possible. Very nice, very nice. And this is one of those heavier canvases. Let's see how big this is here, if they did or didn't give us any extra. Okay, whole canvas is 52 centimeters. Very nice. Because 50 ends, okay, hang on, I will show you, hang on. I want to make my point here. Okay, so 50 centimeters ends right where that salvage edge begins, so they gave you 2 extra centimeters up and down to compensate for that. But they have nice wide margins, so it's just fine. It is 38 1.5 centimeters this way, or 15 1/4. Actual picture size is a little over 15.5 and a little over 39.5 centimeters that way. This way it is almost 11 3/4, and it is 29.5 centimeters that way. So like I said, not too bad, not too big, not too small. Let's take a look at this. It has nice huge areas to stitch. Oh, I got something in my eye. Hang on. I was looking to see if there were a lot of confetti, but I'm not seeing that. There's not a whole lot. Just kind of nice big rivers of color, and then they get smaller areas, you know, around the rows and its definition. So there's just a sprinkle of confetti. Everything else is in rivers. So that is very nice. Very well done. I like that. Okay, this next one, get it out of the bag first, then we can talk. This is a no-name, and it does not have a picture. I will put a picture here. As you can see, I call them the stained glass poppies. It is, oh dear, oh my goodness, this is a 50 by 65 14 count, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to take forever. Nice big pattern though. Let me undo it. Holy moly. Yeah, it's gonna take a hot moment for this. It has 310 black. Okay, first off, it's got 40 colors. 310 black, 550 purple, 823, which is the dark blue, like a navy blue, no 939, no 823. Oh, it does have 823, but no 3865 or 3371. Yeah, this is going to take a hot moment. Very nice, big, huge pattern. I mean, it is kind of printed small, so you would have to blow it up. But I want to do something, so I'll be right back, and we'll go from there. Okay, I am back. So I went and I got a rag, a wash rag, and I'm going to go right over here and see. I'm going to rub on this number 10. And see if the ink starts to come out. It is kind of starting to come out. I guess it is coming. Yep. Not very fast, but it's coming. I don't want to get too much water on that rag. It is getting lighter, but I noticed that the colors were not printed as darkly. Can you see that? Do you see how light that is? Even where it is a dark color, it's not printed, or darkly printed. So that's a good thing. So I think this is going to be okay if I just keep at this. but I just wanted to make sure that at least part of that ink would come out, so we'll see. Okay, back. I just wanted to do that while y'all were here, but you can see it's getting lighter compared to the other two. And it's not just the light shining on it. Here we go. All right, so this does come with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, and we have the fish. We have a paper of instructions on how to start, how to finish, and how to do the cross stitches. I'm going to bring it back out so you can see everything. Sorry about that. And we'll look at all these beautiful colors. Look at all those colors. Oh my goodness. Yeah. And you would use 2 strands on this. Pull this out. We have several individual skeins. So we have 3756. Ooh, look at that seafoam green. Are those both the same? There is, oh come on, where are you? 964, and this is 964, so you have 2 of those in seafoam green. Then you have a mint green of 3756. So is that the same? Yep, 37. You got 2 of those. And you have 310. 2. You have 3 skeins of 310 black and 1 of 154, which is that lovely plum color. So let's take a look at all these other gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just beautiful. Purples and green, just a rainbow of colors. Look at that teal, medium teal, or a medium turquoise, however you want. But look at the pinks and blues. It's just a kaleidoscope, isn't it? Just absolutely stunning. 550 purple. But look at the reds and blues. Everything is just, it's balloon colors, as my son would say. Balloon colors. It's the primary colors. What can I say? Very, very, very nice. I'm just not thrilled. It's a 14 count full coverage. Oh my goodness. What are we going to do? It is serged all the way around. Get rid of all the little fuzzies. Get rid of that. But just beautiful colors. This whole pattern, holy cow. It'll be a hot moment. It's just, can you see how light it is? I mean, lightly printed. In fact, it's a little hard to see. But you do have your paper pattern. But still, it does have the product number and how big it is here. And it doesn't say how many squares per square. It is like 325 by 242. Holy cow. Yeah, I'm in awe. And it's a nice thick canvas. Trying to find my thing. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This will take a moment. It is 25 inches this way, or 63 and a half, give or take. And it is 49 centimeters, or 19 and a quarter. Actual picture size is 17 inches, or 43 centimeters that away. And it is 57 centimeters this way, or 22.5. That's just ginormous for a 14 count. It's like an eternity. But it will look like a tapestry when it's done, but it is just beautiful. And I mean, it's very well printed, it's just light. I think you'd almost have to do all these light areas first, just so you could see all the rest of the symbols. And it does have some confetti. It has pools of color, it has confetti in the flowers and its definition. But, you know, it's just sprinkled around. Different. Very, 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 very different. I had no idea I was getting a 14 count. Did I tell you that this kit was $16.99? Wow. And that is a lot of thread. A lot. So we'll see. Maybe someday. In the middle of winter when I have nothing else better to do, right? Oh my goodness. Alright, that is all from FGOBY. They do have free shipping on orders over $39. If I have a discount code, I'll put that in the description box below. If they have any specials, I'll put that in there as well. They have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for both of those. And they do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And let's see, anything else? They also have embroidery in regular embroidery. I think they have silk embroidery. Can't be sure. Can't remember that part. They do have embroidery. They have beaded embroidery as well. But it's normal. It's just in the little keychain size. None of them have any full coverage beaded embroidery. I don't understand why. I don't get that. So do check them out and everything that they have to offer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.